Okay, uh, today we are going to talk about that logical operator. In previous video, we had a discussion on that arithmetic and relation operator. So what is logical operator? So that operator which is used to combine two or more expressions or we can say the conditions. It also returns true or false value after uh, evaluating them. So we have three types of logical operator: AND operator. If we have two conditions expressions and if we think that all the conditions must be true, then we have to use AND operator. Okay, it returns 1 if all the conditions are true and 0 if any one of them is true or false. Okay, we'll see through example. Next is a OR operator. OR operator, it returns, it is also an operator, and this operator we use in our program if we think that among the conditions if any one can be true, then we have to get the output and the true output then. Yes, in the case we have used OR operator. Here we can see it returns true if one or all the inputs are high or which is that in one state. It returns false if anyone is in low state or zero, means if it is false then. So there you go, OR operator. And for this we have to use keyword or not. It is an inverter, means if we want to test the conditions in opposite way, then we can use this not operator. If the input is if the condition is suppose uh, true, it returns false. If it is false, it returns true, just in opposite way. Let's see this through an example. Now I'm going to run it. Look here, using AND operator, A is greater than B. No, it is 0. A is greater than C. No, it is 0. So 0 into 0, 0. It gives us 0. Similarly, using OR operator, A more than B. No, it is 0. A more than C. Not, it is 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. Using NOT operator, now A is greater than B. We can see here. No, yes, A is not greater than B. So what happens here? It gives us false. That is 0. But there, since there is not, whatever it returns us 1. That is called true value. It's just inverting the output. Means 1 it becomes 0, 0 it becomes 1. In QBasic it is giving us -1 as a true value. That is instead of 1. So I hope you understood of this relation operator. If you have a further query, let me know using the chat box, comment box. Thank you. Just subscribe, share with your friends.